Hello, my name is 𝗃𝗵𝗁. So right now in this video, I want to test if it is still possible to create a verified Google Voice account that can make call and receive text messages using a Windows VPS that I got from netblogtech managed Windows VPS services. So link is in the description. I have visited voice.google.com and created my Google account first, and right now I need to select a Google Voice number. So I need to select number, then verify it. So let's see if after verifying it, I will still get number, or I will get a that I need to get number again, because after the Google Voice account was successfully created, you will see that you will see option saying finish. So once I see finish, then I know that netblogtech managed Windows VPS service still works to create Google Voice accounts. You know what? Let me search for area. So I need to go for 𝗃𝗵𝗁 CA. That is California. So I need to go with this city state. So I select this number here, and here I need to verify. So here I need to enter my US number to verify it, CA California. So right now I need to click on send code. So I think this number is not valid, so I need to click on send code now. So they have sent code. I will receive the code right now, and I have received the code 042554. so this is the code. So let me click on verify, and you can see phone number added. So this means that this phone number has been added, but it is not yet fully verified. So a lot of people do receive this message and they think that they have created Google Voice account, not until they click on this finish, and they will get error by this site saying get number again. So what I need to do is to click on finish, and let's see if I will get a message again saying finish. If I get that message, this means that I have successfully created Google Voice account that can make call and receive text messages fully verified. Alright, so let me click on finish. Let's see. So verifying is now verifying. Finish. So that is it. 100% working. So don't forget, you can use Google Voice on iOS and Android and web. So this is it. This phone number is all yours. So if you did not receive this message, it means that you will get error here saying that you need to get number. So if you get error here saying you need to get number, you will not get this message saying finish, because if I click on finish now, I will not get any pop-up error here, and you can see here, this get ready for the call, and you can see a callers. This means that I have my phone number from Google Voice fully verified, and you can see here, hi 𝗃𝗏𝗁. So I use my email address. As you can see here, my name is 𝗃𝗏𝗁, so I use this my email address 𝗃𝗏𝗁 to create it, and you can see it is fully working. So this is it. So you can see this green button appeared successfully. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. So I remain 𝗃𝗵𝗁 from netblogtech.com. So do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification icon, so that next time I release a new video, you will get notified about that. Alright, so if you need any help regarding Google Voice account creating, just check my contact details in the description of the video, and you can reach out to me. Thank you for watching the video again. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.